Welcome to Sherwood RV's 2-minute tour of the 2021 Geo Pro 15 TB. Weighing in at only 2,500 pounds, if you're in the market for a lightweight, fully optioned trailer, come on and check this one out. Under the 10-foot awning is the outdoor speaker, table rail, large entry handle, Mo Ryde stable steps, and friction hinge door. Our 15 TB comes with a sport tire and wheel package that includes 15-inch mud tires and a lift kit. The molded front cap and rock guard are just back of the dual battery box, tank protector, and power tongue jack, still keeping the hitch weight at only 360 pounds. The back of this Geo Pro offers a large storage compartment, picture window, ladder, and is pre-wired for a backup camera. You'll find the outdoor shower on the driver's side, as well as a 30 amp service, water connection, and black and gray tank valves. And it drops down to give you a spacious king-size bed or 2 singles. This optioned out Geo Pro comes with a 12-volt TV, Bluetooth stereo, below which is the thermostat and solar info display. Storage is king in a trailer this size. The 15 TB has wraparound upper cabinets and shelving, giving you plenty of storage options. Beside the dinette is a large fridge-freezer combo with more storage below. Beside that is the well-thought-out wet bath, complete with the water miser system and sealed toiletry storage. At the very front of the trailer is a stainless steel sink, cooktop stove, microwave, and more cabinetry and shelving. So let's recap the Rockwood Geo Pro 15 TB. It's lightweight, easy to pull and park, and at 2,500 pounds, you don't need a truck. It's option packed like few others. The 190-watt solar panel and 1,000-watt inverter make boondocking an option. Call, email, or come on in. At Sherwood RV, we can talk Geo Pros all day long.